So y'all, gotta run, meet my little brother real quick. I had to order some stuff for my Jeep. Leave out your head in the way. They can't see you. You wanna turn around? What the heck? But yeah, gotta go meet my little brother. Order some parts for my Jeep. My keys. And I accidentally sent it to my parents' house. So I gotta go get it. Ready to go? Ready to ride? So we got the packages. That box bigger than I thought. That one is another small one down there. So we about to head back to the crib. So I got my parts from my little brother. I'm gonna try to put them on real quick. It's not nothing too major. It's some simple things. Sometimes the simplest things do make or break a build, I guess you can say, on any kind of vehicle. Too much of one thing might make it look bad. Too little of one thing might make it look bad. Sometimes might make it look good. But today we just got something simple. I'm changing my gas cap. I just don't like the fact that I can't open and close it like I do on any other vehicle I've had. So I got a door that I got off Amazon. All these parts I got off Amazon, by the way. That I'm gonna replace this whole thing and then put it on. And it's gonna be a door, open and close. I forgot what they're called, but they're the little visors that go above the windows. So let's say if it's raining one day and I want to crack the window, I can still have some airflow coming through there with the window crack. With no rain coming in. I got it for both front doors, front windows, and I have the two that go on each side, the back doors. Lastly, I'm changing out this antenna. I bought a, I want to say it was a 13-inch black antenna. I just don't like the long flimsy one. It's just annoying. Nothing major, but it's just annoying. But it's just simple things. But yeah, this is basically everything I got. The one of the visors that go on the, well, both the visors that go on the back windows. This is one that goes on the driver's side or the passenger side. I don't know which one until I'll be able to figure it out. But yeah, it's for my Wrangler JL. Comes with an alcohol pad. This is the gas cap I was telling you about. The door. Comes with a rubber gasket inside. So it can be sealed up just like the factory would. And my little antenna. Basically, the only thing you really need to do is unscrew. Well, you might have to get a pair of pliers or something, or adjustable wrench to loosen that up. But basically, you got some grooves and ridges you can slide it into. Basically, simple. Just unscrew it. Take the little adapter for it that goes on the end of this. Yeah, basically the adapter screws a little small end into the end that's already attached right there. Then just basically screw this in. There you go. It's such a big difference. Went from having this however long flimsy antenna to just that one. Now with the antenna situation, I did do my research. and saw the reviews on different ones people use. I know some people use the little ones that look like bullets. And not they're bad. They do look cool, but majority of people I've seen that use them, they said they've had problems. If you do listen to the radio or satellite radio or anything like that, is I guess bad connection, bad signal. I really don't listen to the radio that much. I usually use iTunes or Apple Music, whatever. But yeah. So with the visor, this is one of the visors for the back window. But since I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, all thing you really gotta do is basically use the alcohol pad they give you, or soap and water, or some kind of way to clean the vehicle off. Make sure you get a good bond, good clean surface. Peel the 3M peeling off. I'll probably do like the top first, and then peel the sides off once I get it placed right, and then let it sit there, push down on it. Alright, so I got the driver's side done with. It does look pretty nice. One thing I would suggest, if you're doing it yourself, you might want to open the door up and make sure you don't stick this too high. If you stick it over the door and then you have to peel it off, you might mess up the adhesive and redo it. But came out pretty good. I liked it. I'm pretty sure it'll look better once I get my windows tinted. Next will be this gas cap. So what you got to do is you got to open the back. This tail light has to come out in order to get to the bolt behind it that holds this. So what you got to do is take this cap off, take the tail light bolt out. There's only one. Once you get that bolt out, pull the tail light out, then you'll be able to access the clips and bolts for this. Had to go get a little man. He woke up. Asked him, was he gonna help his pops with the Jeep? You ain't gonna help me? You don't wanna help me? You don't wanna help me? He said he watching TV. Forget you. You don't wanna help me? Alright, fine. But yeah, he's too busy watching the cartoon. So let's see if he let me finish this up real quick. Take the top off, pull that out, the real safety hang thing, and basically you can't really see, but there's 2 clips. You basically got to pry this off and then pull out. So basically got it off. There's these clips on the back side of 4 of them on the back side of it. So what you do is put the seal in here. Once you put the seal in there, you clip. It has basically the same clips on the back of it. Clip this in with the gas tank valve or whatever it's called. It'll go right through the middle of it. Then make sure you put the cap safety hanger back in there. Clip that into the little hole right there. Alright, so I got that installed. It was more difficult than I thought it would be. I knew it would have took the longest out of the 3 things I did to do my Jeep today. But once you pop that off, pop it back on, in there. Make sure these the clamps actually hit the inside of the body, so you make sure it's secure in there, because if not, it will pop out. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's just gonna pop out. It's not gonna be sealed flush up. All I gotta do now is put the light back on, clean everything back up. I'll be done. Levi, what's up? You have fun watching me work? Didn't want to help at all? But yeah, so I got the cap on, got the rain guards, and the antenna. I think out of all these, I really enjoy the antenna. Next on the agenda, I don't know, probably be my windows. Yeah, my windows tinted. I need those tinted. Thinking about having a friend of mine make me some more decals. Kind of want the Instagram decal on the side windows also, instead of the @Harambe _32_. I like it with the Instagram logos, so they know exactly where to follow. Yeah, that's about a wrap for this video. Just stay tuned, like, subscribe, share. If you want to see more content, also go follow me and my wife's sneaker YouTube called Soulmates. I'll put a description, or not a description, but a link in the description to give you an opportunity to go ahead and check this out on that channel. We do shoe vlogs. We might go shopping, go out of town, show y'all some stuff. Do like shoe reviews, show our collection. We're actually starting to get a little man collection started. Levi, tell him to go subscribe to the channel. Go check out your shoes. See, he said go check it out. All right, y'all. Say bye. Want to say bye? Want to say bye? Bye.